Hello guys, and welcome back. And I wanted to shoot this video and share with you guys how I was able to wire up the Atlas under the table switches, which I'm using the number 65s here. And let me see if I can show you a switch here. There's really not too much to it. Got the screws here for the wiring. That middle screw denotes the common wire, and then you would have like the red and the green. In conjunction with the under the table switch, I'm using these Atlas number 200 snap relays. These were necessary for the lighting on the control panel, as well as any lighting that I'm going to be putting in the train yard. So let me just show you how it's working. So I've got my momentary switch installed here. So, and right now it looks like the main line's active. So just flick the momentary switch. Now the throw bar's been thrown and the diverging route is active. So just toggle back and forth between those. You could probably hear the switch under the table switch and the snap relay in the background. So let me show you everything's working here. So you can see everything's working there as expected. So the way I did this was, let me open up the control panel here. So as you can see here, I've got a terminal strip with jumpers in series to each one of the terminals. I've got that for the positive, and over on this side I've got it as well for the negative. Now the leads coming into those terminal strips, they're actually coming off the back of my my auto pulse power supply here. I've got an AC power supply right here. Initially I didn't want to use the auto pulse. Now I'm not going to use the auto pulse. I'm going to get a different power supply, but this is temporary for right now. What I had an old lifelike power supply with a 19-volt AC supply on the back. So I originally had it wired up to that, but it did not have enough amperage in order to throw the solenoid switch in the snap relay. So what was happening was the switch was just barely moving on the snap relay, and the LEDs weren't changing for me. So I had to, like I said, just temporarily, I've got it wired to my auto pulse power pack. So you got the lines coming in there, and kind of zoom in here a little bit. So I've got the power lead coming in from the terminal strip going to the middle terminal post on this momentary switch. It's the red wire there. And as you can see, I've got a jumper coming in off of it, and it's actually going to the two positive leads for the LED lights were soldered along with this resistor I have in line here. Now the resistor's there because I don't want to blow the LED lights. So back on the momentary switch, you can see I've got these two leads coming out here, the green and the red. Now those go directly to, get up under here, so those go directly to the snap relay. Zoom out there so you can see everything. So those are coming in here on the snap relay, and then I've got some more leads that are actually wired in conjunction with those that are actually going to the under the table switch. So when the circuit's made using the momentary switch, that's what throws the solenoid in both the under the table switch and the snap relay. Now, as you notice here on the snap relay, I've also got these other terminals here. This is the the common that gets wired along with the common here on the snap relay, and then you've got a red and a green coming out here. Now that actually goes directly to the LED lights, and this side over here will be used for the lighting on the track side and the train yard. So if we look back up here at the LED lights, you can see the red and the green wire coming in from the snap relay. So yeah, at a high level, that's how it's done. And I'm going to be shooting some more videos following this one to show you guys exactly how I was able to wire this up. So just wanted to share that with you. And again, in the videos to follow, I'll show you guys exactly how to do this if this is what you want to do with your layout. And we will see you then. Thanks for watching, guys.